Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log into your Yukon government employee account. Guys, for this you need to open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. Now bring up the search bar and type in Yukon government employee login and hit the enter. Make sure that it takes you to the official link yukon.ca. Click on that link. Now you will be taken to the new interface. Scroll down a bit. Now here you will be able to see the login button. Click on login button. Now you can see the login form over here. But we have to log in from our Yukon employee account. So what you need to do is click on sign in on login button at the right side of your screen. Now again you will be taken to the new interface. Over here you need to enter your email as I have already entered my email. Now just click on next. Now you need to enter your password over here, and now once you click on sign in you will be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot my password, then you will be recover your password so easily. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.